Caroline, the past 5.5 years have been the greatest moments of my life. From the moment I met you 8 years ago, you had me. We've been through so much together, from laughing at my bad notes in our business class, to graduating college together, moving away to literally different sides of the world. And look at us now. Seriously, just look at us right here.
We look good.
I remember the summer, we were just kids living in a dream. Undercover lovers, lost in your eyes, swimming in your mystery. A sweet fantasy. Beating hearts.
Dear future wife, the day is finally here, baby. 0 days to go. This is the greatest feeling in the world, and I don't think it'll ever go away. I love you, Caroline. Alex.
My darling Alexander, marrying you will definitely be the best moment of my life. You are going to be the absolute best husband, Alex, and one day, father to our kids. I'm sure of it, and I'm sure of you. I choose you forever and always. I love you. See you soon.
It's our time.
Alexander Charles Petersen, do you take Caroline Rocky Benita to be your wife, promising to love her, comfort her, honor her, respect her, care for her, stand by her side through everything, cherish every bit of her being, but most importantly, to be her best friend forever and always?
I do.
Caroline Rocky Benita, do you take Alexander Charles Petersen to be your husband, promising to love him, comfort him, honor him, respect him, care for him, stand by his side through everything, cherish every bit of his being, but most importantly, to be his best friend forever and always?
I definitely do.
You may now share your first kiss as husband and wife.